I'm gathering from different sources that Tesla is currently experiencing unprecedented demand in the United States following the significant price cuts that happened last week. Many stores are apparently hitting new records and inventories are dwindling. And I'm about to tell you the source and the information. So last week, Tesla implemented massive price cuts of up to $13,000 on Model 3 and Model Y vehicles in the United States, and some of them were up to 23% of price cuts on their vehicles. The car maker tried to claim that the price cuts were due to a partial normalization of the cost inflation, but most industry experts agree that Tesla needed the price cuts to create demand, and apparently it's working. A week later, Electrek says it can confirm that the price cuts are working in doing just that. I am quoting Electrek because this information is based on Electrek's sources. So Electrek reports that its sources familiar with the matter told the publication that many Tesla stores in North America had reached their new record for sales in a single week. One source familiar with the Tesla sale said that the company is experiencing quote-unquote unprecedented demand in North America following the price cuts. Tesla saw similar action in China after price cuts there. But I will tell you about that in a moment once I finish what's happening in the United States. Apparently, Tesla's inventory is decreasing at a record rate in several key US markets. As for new customer orders, Tesla will likely run out of build slots for the North American market in the next few days. This is again according to Electrek. You can check the wait time for deliveries on Tesla's website to confirm. This usually doesn't happen until much later in the quarter, what I just said. On top of the direct price cuts increasing sales, many Tesla models are now eligible to the new $7,500 federal tax credit for electric vehicles in the United States. In some cases, this reduces the cost of some Tesla vehicles by as much as 30% compared to last year. Tesla's recent price cuts have proven to be a smart move, with the company experiencing unprecedented demand in several markets. This new record demand not only confirms the effectiveness of Tesla's price cuts, but also highlights the growing appeal of electric vehicles to consumers. Now, does this appeal to you more? Does Tesla or electric vehicles appeal to you more as they become more affordable? It's worth noting that other electric vehicle manufacturers like XPeng have also been forced to reduce prices in response to Tesla's moves. This suggests that Tesla may have sparked an EV price competition and it's a new strong position to come out on top. One of the key reasons for Tesla's success is its ability to consistently innovate and improve its products, its vehicles. Its cars have consistently received high marks for performance, range, and safety. Additionally, the company's extensive network of charging stations, also actually as well as its over-the-air software updates, have made owning a Tesla electric vehicle a seamless and enjoyable experience for consumers. Furthermore, Tesla's brand has become synonymous with the future of transportation, and this has helped the company to attract a loyal customer base. Tesla's high-profile CEO Elon Musk has also played a big role in building the company's image as a disruptor and leader in the electric vehicle industry. Tesla is forcing other car companies to make changes because of that. In conclusion, Tesla's recent price cuts have been a game changer for the company and the electric vehicle market as a whole. With its strong brand image, innovative products, and superior customer experience, Tesla is well positioned now to win the electric vehicle price war and continue to drive the growth of the electric vehicle market. But I want other electric car makers to succeed, so there is a healthy competition. But wait, I promised that I would also tell you what's happening with the Tesla sales in China after the price cuts. So in the United States, things are apparently going very well. Here it is. Data from China Merchant Banks International has suggested that Tesla saw a significant increase in retail sales in China recently. The boost in sales can be attributed to price cuts on the Model 3 sedan and Model Y crossover that were implemented earlier this month. Tesla saw an increase in sales in China during the second week of January, spanning the January 9th to January 15th weekend, which I reported the other day. 500% rise. The bank's data suggests that the average daily sales for the period were 76% higher than the same period in 2022. Overall, the bank estimates that a total of 12,654 vehicles were sold over that period. Tesla's success in China, friends, bodes really well for its future as a leading electric vehicle manufacturer in the country, particularly in light of the growing market for battery electric vehicles and hybrids. According to Reuters reports, sales of electric and hybrid vehicles in China has increased by 36.5% in the same week that overall retail auto sales in the country decreased by 14.5 compared to the previous years. So price cuts are working, more Tesla vehicles are apparently sold. Look for the numbers when the company reports it. Tesla China has not issued a comment about CMBI Bank's recent data on its sales. However, company executives have previously noted that Tesla's price adjustments were not really a response to the performance of other car makers in the Chinese market. Thus, following the recent price adjustments, Tesla China's vehicles cost could very well become quite stable. I'm looking forward to that. So here's a quote I want to share with you. In the past, Tesla has made several large price adjustments due to external factors that have had an impact on costs. For example, when we became a domestic car maker, says Tesla China, the price naturally decreased compared to pure import. At least the tariff was saved by 15%. For example, after our supply chain stabilized, it would definitely be lower than before when it was shipped from abroad. Tesla's supply chain localization rate is now 95%, so theoretically there is not much room for improvement. Therefore, I think after this price adjustment, the price should be relatively stable, said Tesla's Vice President of China, Grace Tao. Tesla's goal of growing by 50% each year is ambitious, but I think achievable. Do you agree with that? Let me know, friends, in the comments. If the company's sales in Q1 2023 are 50% higher than Q1 2022, it would indicate that the company is on track to meet its growth target. This kind of consistent and sustainable growth is crucial for any business, but especially for a company like Tesla, which is operating in an industry that is still in its infancy. This is why I said this may be reasonable. This growth trajectory is actually also in line with the overall trend in the electric vehicle market, which is expected to see significant growth in the coming years as more and more consumers become aware of the environmental and financial benefits of owning an electric vehicle. Demand for these cars is likely to continue to increase. By setting ambitious growth targets, Tesla is positioning itself to take advantage of this trend and capture a significant share of the overall car market. Tesla's strong brand, innovative products, and superior customer experience are also helping. They are also factors that contribute to its ability to meet its growth targets. The company has been able to build a loyal customer base that is willing to pay a premium for its products, which is a testament to the quality and appeal of its vehicles. Furthermore, Tesla's extensive network of charging stations and its overall over-the-air software updates have made owning the Tesla a seamless and enjoyable experience for customers. Now, overall, Tesla's goal of growing by 50% each year, like I said, is ambitious but achievable. The company's strong fundamental is in its fundamentals, and actually its positioning in a growing market make it well suited to meet its growth targets. That's why I believe Electrek's numbers and reports could be correct that the sales are growing. What can you do? You can call a nearby Tesla store and ask about if there is any busy, or if you are Tesla investor, which I am not, and this is disclaimer, you can stop by at the Tesla store and see if there is, you see a lot of traffic, and ask them and see if this is a general trend. So if you are a store worker, or if you are have been in a Tesla store this week or in January, let me know what have you seen. If you bought a Tesla, let me know if you heard anything that suggests that you have to wait longer time because there is a high demand. In the meantime, this is Armin Harayan from tworknews.com. Give us thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate for this report. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I may quote and I may respond some of them as much as I can. Tweet this out, and God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.